In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide through Google using Canva for creating animated presentations. Whether you want to impress your audience with creative transitions or just want to add a touch of professionalism to your slideshow, these steps will help you achieve just that. Let's dive in and get started on this easy yet effective process. First, head over to your Canva project. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an online design tool that makes creating beautiful graphics very straightforward. You'll find a variety of templates and design options that can cater to almost any need you might have, from flyers to presentations. Once your project is open, we can begin setting up your animation. To animate presentations on click, we're going to use a simple 3-step process. Start by duplicating the page you want to animate 3 times. On the first page, input just the first step or element you wish to display. This is going to act as your base slide. Then, on the second page, keep the first step in place and add the second step or element. Finally, on the third page, maintain the previous steps and simply add the third step or element. Each of these pages will be one-click animation in your presentation, so take your time to ensure each step flows naturally into the next. Now let's talk about the animation itself. To begin, select the steps or elements you want to animate. It's crucial to make sure these are grouped together. This means that when you apply animation effects, they will act as a single unit, making the transition smooth and cohesive. Once grouped, find the Animate button within Canva, which is usually located at the top of the workspace. This tool allows you to choose from a wide array of animation effects that can be applied to your grouped elements. With the Animate tool open, take a moment to explore the options available to you. You might choose a more subtle fade for professional settings or an exciting zoom in for more dynamic presentations. Select the animation that best fits your presentation style. It's important to repeat this process for each of your duplicate pages to ensure that every new element on your slides will appear with the desired effect during your presentation. Essentially, what you've done is create a layered approach to your presentation. Every click or slide transition introduces the next step or piece of information while simultaneously reinforcing the previous steps. This technique not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps in simplifying complex information into digestible parts. And there you have it. Your presentation is ready to go with animation that appears with each click. With your project complete, view it as a slideshow to experience the seamless transitions you've created. This functionality offers a visually appealing way to guide your audience through complex information bit by bit. You're all set. With these animations, your Google presentations in Canva will be more engaging and visually stimulating, taking your presentations to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy creating.